Oh yeah, I can see you now. I can see you now. Chile kabago ko branga pia. Quoting here the no kwachi hunya chi with lago. You were here, Ben.
Album, Delta. I be Delta.
You were here, Delta. Ben na Delta.
From Easy and your channel.
Ben na is na not.
Only Easy I know, so.
Let him make you ko yemen adopt. I'm gonna adopt. Huh?
Maybe. Originally, yes.
Don't come here, give me a takoshima. Don't come here to laugh. Don't come here, give me a takoshima. I'm not joking with you.
Sorry, please.
Each woman in the area drone Italy. Who told them? The way for Nana like a pilot, I come and all I'm ever governor social media. Okay, they are aware. Eh? Open your mouth and answer.
Yes.
Should I go ahead with your interview?
Yes. Yes.
The way for Nana like a pilot, okay, last. That's in the lasso. Okay, you didn't. Turn Kodazo. Akoko. Look at. Ito choglogo gaparo otele yiri otele calendar bianga bianerem. Bianga bia paro otele yiri calendar obodo bianga bianerem. Whatever reverse bia. Look at. Kakodi front. Go front. Go front. Let him any kegi shit weekend. Huh?
I don't know.
Let he kegi shit. I guess I don't know.
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Am I having no Otele shike? That would a phone. That would a phone. Walker Otele Shrike. Otele Shrike. Aga.
Ofuneje.
Ofuneje onya.
Epiphane.
Edafole.
28.
Ijumole.
Ebo.
Huh?
You see whether I get two children
What year Cameron? What year?
Okay, 98.
I'm gonna get 98. Idioma abo. Akuru wish you get more nwa ka o ba e get na nwoke na aye ya to wagi me.
Bishop, the first one, my first son, I dated the person. Then the second one was out of rape, sir.
So out of one, yeah?
Rape. I don't know whether people pronounce how for you. Abuse.
The second one out of what?
Abuse.
Chai, Ndonna. Ndo. That's it, for the Meg.
Bishop Noves, I know they too they hear Igbo like that. Now small.
How old you they when they do you when they put you ammo inside your aqua?
16.
16. Ele gaga kwa ganga ha tiga munga.
Sorry, Bishop, I know hear that one. I know hear that one.
Where you waiting make you waka go, they can't carry ammo put for your abuna.
Due to some little circumstances, then I don't really have roof over my head. So now where I get roof over my head, now it happen.
Okay, that time you don't get roof over your head.
Yes.
Okay, where you get roof over your head, now there the thing can happen.
Yes, sir.
The person try to help you and accommodate you, now when can't give you belly. The first beginning they see him, Papa.
No.
And Papa na ghost.
Papa not be ghost, but they don't want to take responsibility of the weekend. So since then, I don't stay strong. So I don't care again.
Okay, you don't dare Gagarakaba?
Yeah. So I don't just care again.
Okay. So the second one, you don't know who get them.
The second one I know, but as it is now, you know how the world be. If we begin the drag, if it not lead to better place, especially when you know you're alone. But when time come, I feel fight for that one. But for now, I need my peace first.
Okay, you born for two different men, Abi?
Yes.
At the first one at the age of 16, the second one at what age?
18.
18. And throughout the time when they do this thing, they don't infect you with any sickness, but
No.
as they do you the thing, you sweet you.
The first one, that one sweet me, but the second one, I know I approve for him, so he no sweet me.
Okay, that's first one. You they enjoy him, ba? Okay. Our lady enjoyment lady for first speaking. Second one, no enjoyment. That second one, I hope say you know come here to your picking because of waiting in Papa do you.
No. They're all I have. And then be the only family when I get.
What do you they do now for living?
I'm into Okrekabe business.
Where they watch me from?
From Delta State, Asaba.
You don't ever since where you did pass all these things, do like carry your body, go stand for one road, they share, and then carry you, pay you. Huh? I don't want to make your answer call here. Anybody where they call you, block the person.
No.
No come here to answer call. You go carry yourself, stand for one road. The men go come, they carry you, they settle you.
No. No suffer again.
You say waiting. Waiting they
I
talk
say I
here.
know they suffer again.
You know they suffer again. I'm happy that you are proud that you are not suffering. Some women will carry, because of social media, longer throat, present themselves as suffering people to gather money and do people. God will bless you more and more for that reason. You hear?
Amen, sir.
Whether man or
Amen.
no man, be proud of the child and children you have already. There are women that are in marriage now, they don't have kids. So be proud. You hear?
Yes, sir.
Ide suck ide in angamu. In angamu.
No.
The suck apa. Ide suck apa. What of the apa? The apa.
No, sir.
But you know what in be apa mu?
I know.
You never put mouth for apa before.
No, sir.
You sabi cook.
Yes, I know how to cook.
You get part to where you get where don't tear.
No.
You get any time where then they knock you, where you call the mess, poo poo. You don't do them before.
No.
What of us then they chop you, they knock you. You get any time where you do, it's it. When they knock you, you can't sneeze. It's it. You don't do them before.
Sure. No.
Huh?
No, sir. No.
Man, don't put in this thing for your body, in papi for body. You shout, chai.
I don't know. I don't know of that one.
You don't remember whether I get when they put bola for body, you shout, chai. Huh?
I don't remember. I don't remember that one.
Night don't come like this, you won't sleep, you can't carry standing fan, put for center of your leg, open your leg open like this. Breeze go to enter. You don't do it before.
No.
You get body odor.
No.
What of your father and mother? They're still there.
I don't know them.
You don't know your papa and mama. Chai, you be orphan.
I know the lie use that word, but I grew up in an orphanage home.
Huh?
I know the lie use the word orphan, but I grew up in an orphanage home.
You grew up in an orphanage home.
Yes.
Ah. Chai. So you know give community now, you know.
For bright price matter, I go use people where don't they close to me, people where don't stand by me, though they no be family by birth, but now them I honor as family. Now them I go use.
I be your papa from today, eh?
Thank you, sir.
Anybody who won't marry you, I go stand as your father, yeah?
Thank you.
I go still carry some of our brothers we play here, we be Igbo, with that bro. Sure, you don't be ghost.
No.
You are not ghost, Abby.
No.
I get moderator we go be your mother too. Then you get my another moderator where I get that one go be your uncle. Me, I go be papa. Then some of my followers from now henceforth, I go select like 5 people. We go act as godfather and godmother. You hear me? Huh?
No problem, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Even if the word orphan come in, I will follow you. Make I follow you. Make I follow you.
No problem. Thank you, sir.
Even if the word orphan, even if the word orphan comes in, no fear. No, you say you don't want to use them. Make them use them. Some of these men where you see here, where they from say they get family, some of them not orphan. They hear me. They hear me. Some of them not orphan. Person we no get mama, we no get papa. Now waiting, not orphan.
Not orphan.
Yeah. So
yes, sir.
It's okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Like I don't ask you much question. Your genotype.
I'm AA.
Your blood group.
O plus.
Like I see at it. Aya, before you call your number, nobody is pitying you. And I love the way you are proud to say you have already passed your former state of suffering. You are no longer suffering. I'm happy for that. This place you are living now, who gave you?
Now my place I dey pay for am. Na where I dey stay.
You dey stay there with the two children.
No, just one of them.
Where is the other of your child?
The other one, there is the girl. She dey with I would say the woman like she's like a mother. He dey with that one to relieve the stress from me. That was why he did with that one.
Why you come be girl child you carry give person? Why you don't carry and keep for yourself? Huh?
Bishop, I go still carry am come, but I just need like right now. E dey personal, ma I'm not go to talk too much. E dey personal, that was why.
Call your phone number.
091 31.
Watch Italia. Watch Italia. Well, quiz leak. Watch Italia. My name is the wicked. Come on, subscribe for that place. So can subscribe watch the Kabago. Subscribe or like ya get share ya. Awara ya bag. Watch Italia. Get back. Get just know what ya taku shares the game for. For what? Subscribe for this place. Chineka Bago.
091 31 40 4845.
Who call I gave me to this girl? Koga kwe and kwalolo deceive ya for shire or antinia meya in ojo. Igaga hun your makwa mwage benandoge. So that this girl no man egale am half for this girl. Ega meet a oroy ketore gegwe no boy. And that is the truth. Ana me kuya deka wan fibo. Onya jobi abia ya no man yoko bia. Anochoroti. Any man will come meet you saying won't marry you. If the man serious, you hear me? Let me know.
Yes,
Write
I
me. Let me